Today we're going to be doing some Hoosier slicks on my sleeper Silverado. Let's do this montage and get this video going. Cameraman back at it.
Hell yeah. That's grippy as hell.
Still spins them though.
It does.
Damn.
Warm them up a little bit.
Spin. Dude. just puts you back. We get a speedo shot. Shake too much in the top end. It felt good.
That bitch fucking screaming, dude.
Damn, I'm ready for some races. Who wants to race? Let's go. Want to race 4Runner? Fucking V6 Charger. Let's go. Alright guys, so since the last video I went ahead and installed a pulley. I got more boost now. I thought it'd be pretty cool to do a little 0 to 60 test. Maybe I can find a little timer to add into the video and see what kind of get up and go this truck has from a stop. This time I'm going to make sure I warm up the slicks to get the best launch possible, because it might be a one-time deal here. Alright, 0 to 60. Let's see what this thing does. Let's go. Should I flash it, or should I stall it, or just, I don't know what to do. I'll go about 2 and then floor it. Jeez, this thing still has wheel spin. This G80 locker isn't very reliable. Sometimes it's only one wheel. Sometimes it'll lock both. One of the next investments I need to make is definitely a quality locker to get both tires spinning all the time. Because right now it kind of kicks back and forth with this stock G80, and it also has 236,000 miles. Same thing as with the transmission and the engine. This drivetrain is 236,000 miles. That's insane. How many miles this truck has and the abuse that it's just putting up with. This truck does not care, it just takes it. Let's go ahead and do a pull, like a roll with this. I haven't really floored it from a roll. I haven't done anything yet. I literally just put the smaller pulley on for more boost, and this 0 to 60 was the first thing I did. There's a little 20 roll, and also I can get some data, see how the AFR is with more boost. it definitely pulls better. Oh man, this thing is healthy. I'm gonna pull over and look at my data, make sure my AFR is still on point. I'm shooting for like 11.5. Some people like it a little richer, some a little leaner, but this is just pump 93 octane. It's not on the 85 or anything like that. Not yet. I need more injector to be able to run 85, because 85, if you don't know, uses about 30% more fuel than regular gasoline. So your injector has to be able to supply 30% more volume to make up for that. Right now my injectors can only support about 800 horsepower on pump gas, because I figured the calculation for every 100 cc is about 100 horsepower on this LS. So they're 800 cc, that's roughly 800 horsepower at the crank. I don't know what that is at the wheel. It's probably like 700 at the wheel. Ooh, look at that caddy. Alright guys, I'm back at the house. There's a couple things I'm going to do here. I'm going to try to put together a 0 to 60 timer, even though I spun pretty bad. I think I really need to warm up these slicks. I'm just, every time I burn out, I just see money flying away, because these Hoosiers are kind of pricey. I think they're like 500 for the pair. Okay, so I'm going to do the 0 to 60 timer, and then I'm going to go in and look at my data and see if the boost is more responsive. I didn't really have the time to like get peak boost, because my 1 to 2 shift is kind of short for traction. And then second gear revs really high to shift into third, probably around 6,500-ish. So that's when everyone would see peak boost. I didn't have a chance to see that yet, but at least I can see what the boost was making, like at, for example, maybe 4,000 RPM now, and see what it was doing before, because it should be more responsive all over the RPMs. I'll go about 2 and then floor it. Alright guys, so 0 to 60 was 4.6. I feel like I could have done a little bit better if I made some tweaks, maybe spun the tires a little more, got them a little hotter, maybe let some air out even. I think I have 20 PSI in there. Some people even run like 15 PSI, and slicks, they're bias plies. They're not like drag radials, they're actual slicks. Let's see, I'd have a kind of something I've had for a while, but I'm going to go ahead and give you all a sneak peek at pretty much what's coming up, what you can expect next for the truck. I'm looking at it right now. This is going to set it over the top and either be really awesome or blow up and be really awesome. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I picked up a Zex nitrous kit for the truck. If you guys don't know, nitrous and boost, they play together really well, because with boost you have high IETs, the air gets real hot. You know, that's why you have to run intercoolers, method injection, do what you got to do to cool down the air. But nitrous is an excellent way to cool down the air. So I figured if I threw like I don't know, somewhere between a 50 and a 100 shot of nitrous on top of the Pro Charger, that this thing should wake up and be nasty. Alright guys, as always, if you like this video, like, subscribe. I want to see you in the comments as well. Stay tuned for the next video. Later.